Bill imposing the death penalty by firing squad for corrupt public officials has been filed. This was proposed by Zamboanga Representative Kaimer Olaso under House Bill 11211 for the Death Penalty for Corruption Act. The death penalty by firing squad will cover those public officials convicted of graft, malversation of funds, and plunder.
Kung ako lang ang masusunod, doon kay paparing squad sa Luneta, di ba? Para makita ng taong bayan kung sino yung gumagawa ng kalokohan.
Olaso appeals for consideration and understanding for the proposed measure, especially among his fellow Catholic lawmakers.
I'm a Roman Catholic by birth. I respect the church. Every Sunday I go to church. But sabi ko, I think we have to put this in our country. Kailangan para tumino yung bansa natin.
Alam mo, hindi mo rin maiwasan yung yung kasi sa sobrang garapalan na yung mga corruption sa atin, may isip mo na yan. Pero yun nga,
but first and foremost, you have to fix a
justice system.
Kasi you can see several lawmakers right now who are active that have been proven guilty, tapos later on mag-change ang administration.
Hindi na nila kalaban yung administration.
Hindi na sila guilty. Pero ang mga nakakasuhan pa yung mga low-level positions, mga direktor, mga regional directors.
Mga ASEC-USEC, ganyan.
So it's hard to say that if a firing squad mo, dahil alam mong madaming nahatulan na innocent. And could you imagine, how do you rectify somebody being killed sa firing squad? Later on, malaman mo innocent. How do you rectify that? How do you correct that issue?
Pero nakalagay daw dun sa batas, sinasabi nila, magkaka-firing squad lang kung yung provision ng batas, kung na-exert na lahat o na-exhaust na lahat yung efforts, legal remedies, nung akusado, tapos finality na ng decision ng Supreme Court, yung mga gano'n nilagay nila.
Ang dami naman na nasa kulungan dyan, na-exhaust lahat ng remedies, but later on, only to find out, innocent pala. Ang dami sa states gano'n, di ba? Where they rectify it, you've been unjustly prisoned. Sabi niya, at may term nga, unjustly convicted. In other words, lahat ng na-rule with finality, pero nalaman later on, may bagong evidence lumabas, mali pala kami.
Mali pala.
How do you correct that pag nabaril ka na firing squad ka
Kaya
na?
nga tayo dito, wala tayong death penalty. Sinulong to noon under the Ramos administration, pero hindi nag-succeed. Na under President Erap Estrada nagkaroon, pero na-repeal.
Sino?
Under GMA.
May na-death penalty tayo under ERAP, that was si Leo Echegaray, who was convicted of raping his daughter.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So, ang tawag dito, under Estrada, nagkaroon, pero na-repeal under GMA administration.
Since then, wala na.